Hello out there, everybody. This is Catherine from DryerDays Art Studio. Thank you so much for being here today. I wanted to make a video this month about the DD January art box, so this is going to be that video for you. I did do an extended version of this video over on my Patreon for all my patrons. Thank you all so much to my patrons. You guys are amazing and you help keep me going and keep this channel going and more content. And so I just appreciate you guys so much. So we're going to blast into the video here. Over on Instagram, I did a couple little video shorts of everything that's included in this video. You're going to get 2 of these silicone DD agate coaster molds. And these I designed myself, so you can't get them anywhere else but DryerDays Art Studio. And so you're going to get 2 in the kit. And what you saw me doing there was just taking some tape and cleaning off the surface of the mold. And I'm just going to lay down some clear. You are going to see me make 2 different sets in this video. They're the ones that you saw here at the beginning of the video. I wanted to try a couple different things. When I put these boxes together, I try to combine products that I think look really nice together, but I also try to incorporate some other things that maybe I wouldn't consider using. For example, you're going to get a big hefty jar full of some fiberglass, and I'm going to incorporate some fiberglass into these coasters to give them some nice rocky texture. Usually I like to submerge any kind of glass glitter or texture in my coasters, but for these I wanted them kind of poking out and giving sort of a rocky look, and I think they turned out really pretty. So I'm going to kind of speed forward here so that you guys can just kind of watch my process, and I hope you enjoy what I do. Included in the kit, you are going to get 10 grams of my white matte mica pigment. So this stuff, the white matte, is a titanium pigment, so it really kind of likes to clump together. It's almost a little bit moist. So what I'm doing here in my little paper cup is I put a small amount in of the white matte, just a little bit in the cup, no resin yet. I break it up gently with my stick, and then I use a little bit of rubbing alcohol and spritz that into the cup once or twice just to make the white kind of a nice little paste. Really breaking it up, making sure I don't see any other hard pieces in there, anything like that. And then I will add in my clear resin. And that just helps get a really nice creamy consistency with that white matte. Adding in the rubbing alcohol is going to give you some beautiful effects, and you'll see that here in a second. In the kit, you're also going to get 10 grams of my dry mica pigment in the mermaid shade, and that is what I'm drizzling on here over the white. And you're also going to get a sample of icicle glitter, which is brand new to my store, and that is what I'm drizzling on here. It's a beautiful, really cool blue, kind of a silvery blue, just really reminded me of ice and icicles, so that's why I named it Icicle. And I'm just getting that listed up in my store right now, but right now you can only get it in this kit. I should mention too that the art boxes, I usually only make 25 to 35 of them a month, and these have already been selling. So if you want to grab your box, head over to DryerDaysArtStudio.com. I will have them linked in the description below. Now we're going to head into the other coasters that I wanted to make using some of the items from the box. So we're going to take some of my Blue Love biodegradable glitter here. You are going to get this in the art box. And I'm just applying this right on a dry coaster. I have not mixed this with any resin. There is no clear resin down on the coaster, and we are just working around one edge again, kind of like what I did with the fiberglass. And we're also going to have some clear negative space in these coasters too. And so I will just move right along, and I will mention what I'm using as I'm going. Alright, you're also going to get a full-size jar, 50 milliliters of the blue color cream from my Color Joy line. This blue is just so stunning and rich and deep, and I knew I wanted to have it in a box 1 month for you guys. And since blue is my favorite color, I thought let's start 2022 off with a bang and include a full-size jar in the art box. And so that's what I'm applying here. Next, I am going to add a little bit more of that mermaid too, kind of right in along the rim here of the blue. I've laid a little bit of clear down to sort of give me a barrier because I did want to have some of that clear negative space and to also not cover too much of that Blue Love biodegradable glitter. Alrighty, and I did let these sit and cure for about 36 hours. I like to really just loosen up the edge of my molds first and then pull back almost in a parallel pull, and look at how beautiful these came out. I just think that white looks beautiful in there with the mermaid as well. I love the texture of the glass glitter, and that icicle glitter in there is just gorgeous. Nice and fine, beautiful glitter. Got some really cool effects going on with these. Almost kind of look a little bit like oceany. And they look very layered. I mean, you can see in there the cells. You can see the white just looks like it's kind of floating and on the bottom. And I love how that Blue Love glitter looks in there just along that one edge with our clear negative space. So I think these came out really lovely. A bunch of really beautiful products in this box. You're going to get some other stuff too that I'll kind of show you here. I did not use the blue cobalt glass glitter. You're also going to get some holographic silver dust, very, very fine holographic. There's that Blue Love again. There's the mermaid, the white matte. You're also going to get this icicle again, beautiful, the molds. So here they are again, just going to show you guys really, really close up the beautiful effects of these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out the video description of where you can find these boxes, or just head over to DryerDaysArtStudio.com. Come follow me over on Instagram at DryerDays. Thank you again so much for watching. Thank you again so much to my patrons. And until next time, everybody, keep on pouring.